about 40 and then we'll downshift in a second.
Okay. Well, it was really shaky. I wasn't expecting the acceleration.
Felt pretty peppy there.
But,
Because of the lower elevation, I'm not used to the more
but
power.
goddamn, that felt elevated.
Felt pretty fast.
Oh man!
That was awesome. Well, we were at 6,000 feet.
That is true.
It's humid out too.